Hello and welcome to Britannia Cheese Star Chef.
Hi Shipra, nice to be back.
Guys, monsoons are here. So I've got this yummy recipe which is going to be loved by your kids and your entire family. Saif, are you ready to make this yummy monsoon recipe?
Yes, I certainly am. What are we making today?
So we are making cheesy poppers.
Well, I love poppers and cheesy ones even more.
So let's get the ingredient checklist. So in this empty bowl in front of you,
Yep.
we are going to add potatoes. To this, we'll add a little bit of salt. There's finely chopped green chilies. We add that. Stuff this with cheese. And we need to mix it really well. Just take a small portion in your hand.
I want to learn how to make a good bhajia, you know.
I was about to ask you, do you like pakoras or are you a salad person?
I like everything. There's no such thing, you know. On one day I'd like salad, one day I'd like bhajia. And especially in monsoons, I really want to learn how to make, you know, the onion bhajia that's just...
That's so delicious.
You got to tell me how to do it, okay?
So see, what I've done is, Saif, I've shaped it into cylinder. So I've used Britannia cheese cube in this. So rich, creamy with a burst of flavor in every bite. Grates so easily and can be chopped very easily as well. Now you have to check whether this is hot or not. Take a spoon, put that whatever you're frying in the spoon and then drop it in oil. That just saves you, it's ultra safe. Yeah, you are a pro now. And we fry it until golden
I've
brown.
never seen anything like this. Amazing. What fun. My favorite part of cooking is frying onions and green chili at the beginning of a biryani.
Do you make biryani?
Yeah, I've learned how to make a mean biryani actually, like with layers. You know, there's ghee at the bottom and then there's a bit of rice, then there's the meat, then there's rice, and there's onions, then there's meat. So you know, in layers. So it's good fun.
Wow.
I'm telling you, every
Awesome.
day, 7 o'clock, my wife's got me in the kitchen cooking something. And it's really passed the time during this lockdown. It's kept something to do in
She
the
definitely
evening.
passed her time well, sending you in the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of fun. I mean, I love cooking, you know, it's really a stress buster.
Do you cook at home or do you say, no, somebody else cook?
Oh, you know what? I cook all the time. So I'm doing these, like, you know, if I'm like shooting or something, I'm cooking, I'm writing, I cook and try my recipes before I put it in my books. And even after the shoot, when I'm home, I want to have a fresh meal. You know, something that I've not cooked at shoot.
I wonder what's happening at home. How long do we have to keep this in here for?
Till it's golden in color. See, the trick here is, Saif, that you don't have to touch it till you see that golden color coming. Because if you touch it at this moment, it's going to break open and the cheese and everything will be like all over.
They are floating on top and they have gone golden. Should I take one out?
Is it like properly golden?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, sure. Then you take it out.
Let's take one out and see.
So here mine are also almost done.
That is amazing. You can't go wrong. Roasted garlic cheese spread and poppers.
So here we are, our cheesy poppers are ready. And guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, do try it at home and send us your pictures on Facebook and Instagram tagging Britannia Cheese.
It's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. Stay tuned. So goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.